Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock recipes for the Dreamlight Cinematics Festival in Heartopia. So I'm going to cook the Spring Day Fruit Black Tea, and I'm just going to start cooking that first with the blueberry. And then, for instance, I want a different fruit, so I'll cook it and replace the fruit with something else to unlock the secret recipe. So, for instance, I want to make the Mandarin one, so I'm just going to do that. Also, I will put all the secret recipes that they have right about now. I still don't know all the ingredients, by the way, so I might have to go and check on that. As you can see, this is the secret recipe that I've unlocked, and you can switch it out for different fruits. I think there's apple, there's also strawberry, there is grape as well. There's apple and stuff. So yeah, again, I did put it on the screen, like the secret recipes that you can unlock. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!